guys, welcome to another video. Today's video is going to be a nice fun one because I'm going to be trying to make my Pinterest board a reality. So it is the start of 2025 and I really do want to elevate everything about me. So like my hair, my outfits for sure, that's number one, and just my makeup. I just want to feel like the better version of myself. So that being said, we're gonna do a part 1 part 2 video. Part 1 is focusing on trying to get the clothing that is on my Pinterest board, so we're gonna be thrifting that. Then part 2, we are going to focus on getting our hair cut, our nails done, getting that makeup exactly how we see it in the inspo, and I'm going to be showing you guys some outfits inspired by my Pinterest board. So part 1 is obviously finding out the style that I want. So I created a Pinterest board and the style that I want is a more casual chic. So I really want to be nice and comfortable, but also put together, of course. So here is some examples of what I was looking for when I went thrifting. And then by the way, I did go thrifting at the Goodwill bins so that I can get more for my money that way instead of just going to the regular Goodwill. So this is my inspo right here. We have this nice, beautiful, chunky, big sweater, casual jeans, and then the Uggs. And then that's kind of one way. Like one outfit down, here's another one. It's beautiful, it has the Birkenstock, which I really am trying to get these Birkenstocks. I'm just been waiting for my job to get them because I can obviously just use my discount, but that's the only reason why I haven't bought them yet. But it's really nice, beautiful high-waisted pants with a cardigan. This one's more like elegant chic, and I thought this would be cute for like a going out. We got the button down with like a little sweater over it. Most of these outfits do have, it's just all high-waisted jeans. And then this one's very cash, could be worn anywhere. We got the ultra minis, beautiful pants, and then like I said, very cash. We got a cardigan right here, and then the jeans are baggy. Some of the jeans are baggy, some of the jeans are tight. That's what I like about them, and I like how they're all straight leg or almost wide leg, but not all the way. I'm not a skinny jean kind of girl anymore. And here's the last one that I'm going to show you guys. But as you guys can see, it's very nice, casual, but you just look very put together as if you tried. So that is some things that I was trying to get inspo from when I was going thrifting. Of course, because I went to the Goodwill bins, I'm not going to find the jeans there. So I had to invest elsewhere. So I did invest more on Levi jeans. I picked up a bunch of the rib cages and the wedgies to really make up for like that high-waisted straight leg that I need. And then I do have the ultra minis. I have a new Nike that my boyfriend got me, and then like I said, I'm planning to get the Birkenstock, and I'm also eyeing the a Blundstone. That's another one that I feel like it is a staple, and it's a year-round shoe. So that's another shoe that I'm eyeing to help with this. So part 2 is of course going thrifting, and I went ahead, tried to find as much as I could, guys, and I did find a couple of chunky sweaters, but they didn't have as much as they usually do. Like right now it's the season for it, so they usually are everywhere, but I just feel like I couldn't find any in my size or anything that like worked with the vibe that I wanted. But I did find some good things. So that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys everything that I got, and then like I said, we'll move on to part 2. We'll do my hair, get some of these outfits put together, do my makeup, my nails, and we'll make this Pinterest board become a reality, I guess. So let me jump right into this thrift haul. So first thing that I picked up, this one didn't have a size, and I tried it on and it's a little bit big, but I'm gonna see if I can try to make it work. But it is this really cute waffle blouse, really nice, has a drawstring right here so that you can tighten it and just create that really nice kind of tucked in look, and I thought that was cute. I really like the color and I just felt like it was giving like a more chic vibe, so that's why I picked this one up. Then the next thing that I picked up was this, which I felt like fit the vibe exactly how I wanted. So it is this really nice like knit. I really like this part right here. I just feel like it adds a little bit of something to it. I have it rolled up just to add a little bit of just something extra, and I feel like it's gonna look really cute tucked in into a high-waisted pants with some socks and my Uggs, and I feel like that's gonna create that very nice comfy casual look. And I really like the color of it. It's like one of those colors that go with whatever. And another thing that I picked up was this, and I thought this was really cute for Valentine's Day. So it's basically a little crew sweater, and I thought it'd be cute tucked in. I did buy this at the thrift store, so I added it here so that I can remind myself, but it wasn't in this thrift haul. It was in like a couple thrift hauls back. But I did buy this Ann Taylor button down, and I really love the fit of this. It just looks really nice on me. So I thought that this underneath with this over it, tucked in with some high-waisted jeans and some cute boots, and I thought that'd be like an outfit right there. So I kind of just threw the blouse in here so I can remind myself. But we got like an outfit here going that I think I'm really gonna like. And also on the topic of that button down, I thought it'd be cute to have the white button down with this. I ended up finding this and I was like, oh my god, I really love the color. Like I said, it's transitional, so I can even wear this with a short sleeve white tee in the spring. And when I tried this on, I fell in love with the length because I am 5'1", so some things just fit longer on me than it would like a normal person, but this one was like the right amount of crop and it just looks so beautiful. And you can never have too many tank tops. What I really like about this is the design, and I feel like it just gave it a more like elevated look because of the design. And I tried it on and it fits so good, so I know that this is gonna be like a nice little layering piece for spring. Even in the summer, I can kind of like work my way around it. This one I like a lot because I feel like it gives a more chic look when the neckline is a bolt line. So this is what it looks like right here. I just love like the bolt line on me. I feel like it just gives a more elegant look. And I found another one that has the same kind of a bolt like neckline, and I thought it was cute. It has a little pocket right here, and this one's from Ann Taylor as well. Thought it'd be cute, like I said, tucked in. And these two are from J. Crew. What I like about them is that they are 100% cotton, so they're really nice, soft, and these are both in size extra small, which I like because, like I said, short, so now these actually fit where they're supposed to, and they're just really nice and comfy. This is what it looks like right here. Just a nice, beautiful color. And then here is the other one. I really like this one a lot. I feel like just the colors, the two color combo and the buttons really add something to the shirt. So this one's from Banana Republic, and I like it a lot because it is cropped, so it just fit really well. And this one also is from J. Crew, and it is just a nice turtleneck, which, because I feel like I got a lot of shirts that could go into spring, I was like, okay, this one's okay. This one's for winter. and it's not a lot of pieces that I'm spending on winter. And just beating up quick on everything else that I got these Vineyard Vines pajamas, really nice, comfy, has little Christmas themes on them. Then I also got this pajama. It's so cute because I have a husky, so I thought it'd be cute to like represent him really quick. And then I also got this really cute piranha button down, which is also gonna look cute with like leggings. And on to the last two items. This one is something that I thought would be cute for Valentine's Day. It is this strapless dress. The last item, this H&M skirt. It's really long and maxi, and I figured you couldn't go wrong with just having one of this in your closet because there's like numerous ways that you can wear it, so that's why I have it as also a backup. So that is everything that I picked up. Stay tuned for part 2. We are going to be pulling out outfits from my closets and just putting everything together and using the pictures as inspiration. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and I guess I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!